court.
All right, Mr. Iyer, do stay on with us. There's some movement at the
He has
CBI.
arrived at the CBI headquarters. He has arrived at the CBI headquarters and we are giving you the visuals of his team going in to the CBI headquarters there, accompanied by some of the party functionaries as well. Vijay has just walked inside and the CBI team has accompanied him. He wanted his legal team to go with him, but that has been stopped, and you can see. The entire cavalcade. There were about 4 vehicles outside the headquarters, and they're moving in one by one. All of them are moving in, and I think these are just preliminary steps being taken. The identity of those going inside the headquarters will be verified. The IO is going to ascertain that the person going inside indeed is Vijay, and only then will the next course of action be allowed. So right now, what you are seeing, the visuals that we are showing you are those preliminary steps that are being taken by CBI. The line of questioning that the CBI will have will be about the incident that happened at Karur, about whether he was aware. Sir, agar aap थोड़ी सी जगह दें हम, हाँ. Yeah. So the line of questioning will be about the awareness that Vijay had and whether he was aware of the crowd that was surging in, what led to his delay, and for all that questioning to begin, first his identity will be ascertained by the investigating officer. The vehicle, one of the vehicles, have just been allowed to go inside the headquarters. If you see there, this black vehicle was also part of the convoy that came in. One of those vehicles have been allowed to go inside. There are CBI officials who are now completing the formalities, and in the next 10 minutes or so, Vijay will be before the investigating team answering questions that they have. This questioning currently is in the capacity of a witness. He is being asked because, like you heard, others also commenting whether there was deliberate mismanagement on part of the district administration, and the district administration statement has also been taken. So Vijay will be asked about, what is the sequence of event that he was aware of, whether he was aware of the crowd control measures, why did he get delayed, and because of the weather condition, did the delay lead to crowd control measures getting out of hand as well?